Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Taskbar settings, right-click an empty spot on the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. This gets you directly to the controls you need without detours. Once done, make sure you're on the right user account so toggles save properly. You're doing this to reduce height and visual clutter, so keep focus on size and behavior options rather than unrelated personalization items. Now proceed to change scale and icons for a smaller footprint. Now change the size. Toggle use small taskbar buttons to shrink icons immediately. If Windows lacks that option, adjust display scale to 100% or use the registry key for taskbar small icons to force smaller spacing. Also disable widgets and hide app labels so each entry uses less width and the bar appears slimmer. Once these settings apply, make sure to restart Explorer or sign out to see final dimensions. These steps control both visual size and usable space. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart to enforce changes immediately. This prevents lingering layout glitches. If icons overlap or items disappear, revert any registry edits you made and toggle the small icons setting off then on. Make sure display scaling and DPI are consistent across monitors. Mismatched scaling can make the taskbar look large even when set small. If problems persist, sign out and back, in, or reboot to ensure all processes pick up the new sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.